Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got another request by for ROSÉ. This is another track by her. I believe that she's singing. And yeah, let's just go ahead and listen to it, y'all. The last song was amazing, by the way. Okay, cool. It looks like Read My Mind by The Killers. It must be a cover. Cool, cool, cool.
On the corner of Main Street, just trying to keep it in line.
Okay.
You say I wanna move on, and you say I'm falling behind. Can you read my mind?
Oh, that's so good. I honestly love this song too, so that was already phenomenal.
I never really gave up on breaking out of this two-star town. I got a green light, I got a little fight. I'm gonna turn this thing around. Can you read my mind?
Ooh, she's killing it.
The teenage queen, the loaded gun, the drop-dead dream, the chosen one, the southern drawl, the world unseen, the city wall and the trampoline. Oh well, I don't mind if you don't mind, 'cause I don't shine if you don't. Before you go, can you read my mind?
And this is dope.
Slipping in my faith until I fall. You never return that call. Woman, open the door, don't let it sing. I wanna breathe that fire again. She said, I don't mind if you don't mind, 'cause I don't shine if you don't. Before you go, can you read my mind?
Damn.
Can you read my mind?
That was so good. This was so good. Man, she absolutely killed that. And I didn't know this was going to be in English. Can you read?
My mind.
That was so good. Wow. Hey, thank you guys for suggesting this down in the comments. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do. See you guys on the next video. Peace, y'all.